How to fish in lava in Terraria. So you cannot just cast a standard line into the underworld, because you can see if you wait nothing will happen even if you use a good bait. So to fish in lava, you must use one of two specific methods. So the first and most accessible method is catching underworld bait. So you need to craft a lava-proof bug net right here, just like that, using a regular bug net and 15 hellstone bars. Then take this net to the underworld, then just simply find some magma snails, lava flies, or hell butterflies. So just go around till you see some and use the net right here. So as you can see, there's a butterfly right here. So let's try to catch it with our lava-proof bug net. So here we have our hell butterfly. So it has 15% bait power, so let's try to use it. So using these specific critters as bait allows you to fish in lava with any standard fishing pole. So let's try to use it. You can try using a more powerful rod. So as you can see, wood fishing poles only have 5% fishing power. So let's try using a stronger one right here. And let's throw in our rod just like that. Then wait for it to catch some fish. And as you can see, I got one right here, which is the flare fin koi right there. So the second method is by using a lava-proof fishing hook. So this is an accessory found inside obsidian or hellstone crates, which you get by fishing in lava using the first method. And once you equip this hook here on your accessory slots, you can use any standard bait, any fishing rod in lava permanently. So just keep in mind that just like water, you need a pool of at least 300 blocks of lava to avoid severe fishing power penalties. And lava fishing takes significantly longer to get a bite than water fishing, so you have to be patient. Sometimes it could take a minute just to get anything. And that is how you basically fish in lava in Terraria.